Hi there, meet the Auto Safety Super Wide walk-through babygate with a convenient cat door built right in. This gate adjusts from 29.5 to 40.6 inches wide and stands 30 inches tall, perfect for doorways, kitchens, and stairs. It features a small pet door that lets your cat pass through easily while keeping pets separated to avoid fights. Installation is tool-free with pressure mounts, and it even auto-closes to keep your little ones safe without extra effort. The double safety lock prevents babies from opening it, giving you peace of mind. Made from durable ABS material, this gate can hold strong dogs weighing up to 210 pounds. Keep your home secure and your pets comfortable with this reliable, high-quality baby and pet gate. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.